Alright guys, we are back with the Yayayayawuwu and then with noise in the background 2024 edition. So, I hope you guys are ready for this because we are going to make a lot of noise today, everyone. So, yeah, everyone, this Yayayayawuwu with noise in the background video, we haven't done one of these in 8 months. So, Yayayayawuwu with noise in the background videos usually take about 5 to 10 minutes. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to all my other Yayayayawuwu with noise in the background videos. This should get released. I don't know when this is gonna get released, but it's gonna get released weeks from today. Cause I like to wait on these videos. Ho ho! Okay. Yeah. So we had a lot of noise in the other clips. Here is an example of one of them. Yeah, that was a little noisy, guys, but yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to that as well. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start making some noise.